9484. Her name is Carol Agamata, 28 years old and a single mother of one healthy son. She finished Bachelor of Science in Tourism and with local experience as domestic helper. This is PJ 9484. Will you please introduce yourself?
My name is Carol Agamata. I am 28 years old, a single mother with one child. I live in 50 Butong, Lawag City. I have two brothers. My parents are Mr. Romel Agamata and Mrs. Minda Agamata.
If given chance to work in Hong Kong, who will look after your son?
My parents.
Do you have any local experience as domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am.
What were your duties and responsibilities with them?
I cook, ironing, washing, and child caring.
What dishes you know how to cook?
I cook vegetables and meat.
How about elderly care? Do you have any experience?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you take care of the elderly?
I bath them, I give them food, and I make sure I'm always ready to serve them.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby also?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your experience in taking care of a newborn baby?
I feed them, I bath,
After feeding, what will you do?
I birth the baby, ma'am.
What is your experience in taking care of a newborn baby?
My experience, ma'am, are feeding, bathing, and taking care of the child.
Why do you think you are a suitable domestic helper?
I'm suitable to be a domestic helper because I'm a hardworking, honest, reliable, God-fearing, and honest.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I want to give the best future for my son, and I don't want my son to experience the hardship of life.
Are you afraid of dogs?
No, ma'am.
Will you talk long and gossip in phone?
No, ma'am.
Do you smoke?
No, ma'am.
Can you promise to cut your hair short?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give a message to your future employer?
To my future employer, I promise to be a good housemate, and I promise to finish my